Hi, it's Joan. It didn't take me long to find a random hand that I loved when I was playing the other day. And the 2 points about this one are be very sure with your partner when you open two no trumps or you open two clubs and then you bid two no trumps, what the point range is. Some people like to make two no trump openings 20 to 22 points and balanced. Other people like 20 to 21. On my school, we've chosen 20 to 21 points so that if you've got a big balanced hand more than 21 points, you would open a game force two clubs, partner responds, and then you would bid two no trumps, showing 22 to 24. If you had even more than that, you would jump to three no trumps. So when you are looking at balanced hands, the points in them are really crucial because partner needs to know exactly what you've got. So on this hand, we opened two clubs and then bid no trumps. The other point about the hand, when I noticed that many people had played the hand, was with the result. You had to play it rather carefully. And in the third part of the plan, the ABC, the C, when you're considering the order of play, one of the big things that must come to mind is entries. Am I able to reach my long suit that I'm trying to set up? It's all very well to see 8 cards, 5 and 3, and to know that you're going to set that suit up, but you have to get over to the suit. And if you don't have external entries, you need to duck a trick often. That's like making a safety play. You are losing a trick early so that you can make all the tricks later. Well, try the hand. Have a great week and play more random hands. Your hand only has a king and a jack, so clearly a pass. Partners opened with a game force, two clubs. We don't have a positive. A positive would be if we had ace, king, jack and 6 clubs or something like that, a very good suit. So we start with 2 diamonds, which says I'm waiting to hear, and partners two no trumps now says 22 to 24 points and balanced. So we would go to 3 no trumps without further ado. We've got a king and a jack, that's good. Sure enough, partner had a very beautiful balanced hand with every ace, the 4 aces. On the Jack of Hearts lead, let's make our plan. We've got 3 top heart tricks, 1 spade is 4, 2 clubs are 6, and 1 diamond is 7. We need to make 2 more tricks. Clearly, we would think about the length in clubs and hope that the club suit is breaking 3-2, which it is 2/3 of the time. But one of our problems when we're at the stage of considering the order of play is how will we reach the long clubs when there is no other entry? Well, sometimes you have external entries, e.g. the King of Diamonds would have been an external entry to the clubs, but sometimes you don't. When you don't, you need to make an entry in the suit itself, and we could either play the ace and the 9, or we could just play the 9 and purposely duck a trick. Let them win the club. They've won the queen, back comes a heart, win the heart. Now clubs from the top and take the winner in the shorter holding first, which is the ace. Now we find that they've broken 3-2, thank goodness, and over to the king or the 10 or the 8. We're making our club tricks. Notice what they're discarding. We will discard spades and hold on to our diamonds. Just want to see, there's a diamond discarded. And what next? Well, we can afford to take the diamond finesse because if it loses, we'll still make plenty of tricks. So try the queen. It held the trick. That's good news. So I would play the Queen of Hearts next. and they've thrown the king of diamonds. That's a very strange card to play. They had only the king left. So our diamonds are all good, and a spade up to the ace. So we actually made 12 tricks on the hand, and in the random hands that did very well. Should they have pitched a diamond? Answer, no. 100% no. The one suit that West needed to hold on to was diamonds. They could pitch spades, but not diamonds. So the defensive error was to allow us to make the diamonds, where we never were entitled to it really. The king was on side, in other words, the finesse was working, but we still had a diamond loser. However, sometimes things just go our way.